Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be painting a glowing street lamp. First, let's take a look at the materials. I'm using a 4-inch canvas acrylic paint from Himi. The colors are rose, violet, Prussian blue and of course black and white. Different sized brushes. Before starting, I'm adding rose color to my palette and mixing violet with Prussian blue to create a deep night sky shade. This is a simple yet beautiful piece, perfect for beginners. Now let's start with the background. I'm applying the violet blue mix at the top and blending it smoothly into rose at the bottom. It might look messy in the beginning, but trust the process. Blending is the key for a soft, dreamy look, so take your time with gentle brush strokes. Once it's completely dry, I'm splattering white paint for stars effect. Next, I'm painting the side of a building using black paint. This helps frame the lamp and adds depth to the composition. For the street lamp, I'm carefully sketching its shape and filling it with black color using fine brush. By the way guys, this is actually my first time doing an actual voiceover for a tutorial. It feels a little different but feels nice walking you through the process step by step. I hope it makes the process easier to follow. Let me know what you think. The curved details of the lamppost give it a classic and elegant feel. So take your time and do it very slowly. After all, it's all about enjoying the process, right? Now that the basic silhouette is in place, I'm refining the top of the lamp to make it look more structured. The top section has a pointed design, so I'm carefully shaping it with a fine brush, making sure the edges are nice against the background. Adding the small details like the little extensions on the sides and the finial at the top really helps bring out the classic street lamp look. I'm also thickening the main frame slightly to give it a stronger presence before moving on to the glow. Now let's bring the lamp to life. Using the same brush, I'm layering yellow and orange inside to create a warm, glowing effect. I really like how the glow contrasts with the dark silhouette and the dreamy night sky. Adding the second layer of the same colors for vivid glow. Blending softly at the edges makes it look more natural. And for the final touches, I'm refining the details on the lamppost and adjusting the glow to enhance the lamp. And we are done. I hope you all enjoy it as much as I enjoyed creating it. Let me know in the comments what you think. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more painting tutorials. See you in the next one. Bye.